Today we are going to be creating a background painting using value scale. So value is an element of art and it shows how light or dark a color is. So when we're working with value today, we're going to be creating tints using white and a color, starting with the lightest color of white and then adding more and more of that hue to get to that original color of what we started with. So the first thing that you will need is your piece of paper. You're going to decide where you're going to be putting a dot for where that moon-like shape is going to be, somewhere towards the top center. So you're going to make a dot with your pencil, and then once you have your dot, you're going to line the center hole up on top of that dot, and then you want to make sure that you're holding the red part of that compass nice and tight. Put your pencil in one of these small dots inside of the clear plastic and spin it around. So be nice and gentle. It spins a little easier if you're gentle with your turning. So once you have that center, then you can start making more lines. You're going to want to make 6 lines total. So you want to make sure that you go out a couple spaces, at least like 6 to 7 spaces between, and then you're going around. Notice how I hold my hand up so I can tuck my pencil underneath, and sometimes you're gonna get caught on like the edge of the paper. You might go off the paper a little bit onto the table. That's okay. You want to make sure that you're making these complete, these are called concentric circles, which is when a circle fits inside of another circle. So they each, all of them have the same center point. So if you need to erase anything, of course, you can erase. Make sure that you're spacing these as evenly as you can. You can see I'm counting those dots out, and then nice and easy. You don't want to press too hard with your pencil in case you do make a mistake, because you want to be able to erase if need be. So make sure that you're counting your lines as you go, spacing them accordingly. You want to make sure that you have 6 lines total for 7 sections. So once you think you're finished, make sure you count yours out. 6 lines for 7 sections. Flip it over on the back, put your name in a 6-0, whatever your class is. From there, you're going to be getting a plastic cup. You need to put your initials on the lid and put your name on the side of the cup. I will be putting some white paint in this cup, not as much as you see here, but I'll put some white paint on here. Please also put your room number on the side, and then you are going to be mixing your colors inside. So first thing you need to do is erase that little dot, and then you are going to be painting with the actual white inside of that first circle. So painting in that whole entire area. From here, you're going to be mixing whatever color that you decided you wanted to use and mixing that into your cup of white, just using a little bit at a time so that your color is slowly going on that value scale from bright white to a lighter tint and getting darker as you go. From here, you're going to be painting inside of those rings nice and neat. You're going to be going around in a circle in nice, long, neat brush strokes for each of those rings or concentric circles.